Alright guys, welcome. So if you want to sell digital collectibles or offer exclusive token gated merch without forcing your customers onto third-party marketplaces, setting up NFT sales on Shopify is super straightforward. So I'm going through step-by-step process and showing you how. Okay, so firstly, how do we connect a approved NFT app and Web3 wallet to your Shopify store? Open your Shopify admin. After that, navigate to Shopify App Store. They still did not make it easy. Okay, so you just go to Settings, Apps, Shopify App Store. Okay, and in here, guys, you just need to search and install a verified Web3 minting app. For example, like Single. Let me see if I have this. Okay. Also, we have Token. This kind of name. And the third one is Minting Press. Sorry, Minting. So let me just choose Single. Okay. There you go, guys. And just install this app. Okay, then on this next screen, just go ahead and sign up. Just use your email and password, and then you'll be able to proceed with this app. And in there, guys, once launched, just follow the app prompts to connect to your creator wallet, such as MetaMask. Select your target blockchain network like Ethereum or Polygon and host your digital collection. And then, guys, you just head over to products and then add a product inside your Shopify dashboard. Upload your high resolution artwork, title, description, all that good stuff, right? And once you're inside your NFT app, just link this product listing directly to your blockchain smart contract. And after that, you're good to go. Enjoy.